Tiflos Anan, the Doubting Thomas. May come for a year, Nana for Spiritual and Herbal Center, Ediamo. At the Kuta may come for us a video be a Kohoma Watinity. A year one time, because a Drobian Cadem. Yes, a Drobian Cadem. What do we are real for us with me and say Arena out here? The catch no say, let's say, I are sending Ghana. There's a happy, I are sending. Nana for Spiritual and Herbal Center. See, we are real or better than 10.
Akwa shonko enkoma wa wohwe me sabre e wo too much GHS so na ene de ya me ne wo e kase ye papa Agya Nkuto an wa babontin din sembi aba betu Agya abusuafo mo be kaya ye de ebebe som mo ese wo no ankasa na kwada ni din e de ye mejo na susu ni din ankasa ye Prophet Kingsley Frimpong yeah, what one and anom ewo eye ensie edo na rumors are a free insider na say yeah Nkuto bi ho eba bonti chirem na chese wo ka say ne ba no eno na nam so ama ene wonka atasefo na me no wo e ka say de wo ba bonti e de nsem bi aba betu Agya na ebusuya moman kotie ne nsem no emfa embra na ye ba ye beto a eye eso
me be ya ofri me hayi e prum fie me ensa ana Awurade afre no said we are kakra it catches among ba sorry Sunday say so what me na sia nko wuda me na me ka kira me nim de ntia me ka sa baro nipa no onya free ntaban na se a obi an hye ne so bio de opa bia na obeye efiefo ne ahombone nso de omo ya adwuma don tenten so wi form ma obewie wakum wasai me a me ne ugina me de no ma di agro o betimi akum ato atwene timi mfa ne me ni agro kra I was spiritual. But ofri mu no ubeko social no so no na egu banim asesa it look like say ase no wa ha and no wa ha mpo a owo e ho ma obia me gina metimi ewu ba me hwefa hwemanim kwa tiri timisrawo mo bebre de abrante no munnim no more than half of our munnim no kakra be na bia munim no ba mo be nim no ye TV so na bia odi adanse am obi oye me ba oye me nua ketwa no e penasem aterwade ato nsa afre na me adoma say ya wada we week e be di na wo cheda ti aye da no na maka kyew na mo mbetima me yakọ no mo me yakọja no amen.
Na abusuafo said eye Agya Nkuto de nsem na tudwa no na say anka ne ba no oda so ewo eye na se anka nya de se usa wo wuwe obetimi ayeden ewo an because wo so for as a covenant bi ekasa de emawo na odensem we ebebetu eye Agya eno me no wo kasa kokopiem ewo Facebook nso so abrante ne din ede Prince Kofi Asare Karis enso de nsem bi ababetu eye Agya aches wo no de abrante ni wo no akwakoye na ade a eye ne yapa eye a wodwen ho a wonte eye ase na me no wo kasa abrante eye Prophet Kingsley Frimpong adodo na nim ni se eye major eno eye 31st March 2022 ena wo mo ebeye ebedi ne na wotwe eda ewo eye Kumewu Zongo eye Breman House ewo eye Zongo Market ho ena gise dwumadie no ebekoso na ye kwa Prince ensem no eso ne sei ena ono so ede ne ensem no ebebetu Agya o say I am sad this evening but want to use this opportunity to advise and encourage up and coming youth in the ministry and the body of Christ. My sadness has to do with the death of Major Kingsley Frimpong, a junior pastor of Agya Nkuto. This guy was a friend. We used to sleep in the same room, eat from the same bowl, but he is no more. He lost his way along the line. I gave him the advice I can as a friend. The first time I met Major was 2007 when we met at an all-night service at Chinebua Kodua Senior High. He was a young boy being used by God. The lust for money and worldly pressure took my friend to where he was not supposed to be. The last time I met Major was 2019 when he told me he is now with Agya Nkuto. The last contact I made with him was on phone in 2020 when we lost another pastor friend. What you need as an up-and-coming pastor is a father, a mentor, a leader, and a counselor. If what I am hearing is true, that indeed he was cursed by his senior pastor because of a girl and sacked him. Why will these so-called pastors always pronounce curses on so-called junior pastors, junior pastors when they go wrong? If you want a mentor, someone to raise you to become a pastor, don't just make that quick decision by following people with crowd and those you think can offer you money. Let God direct your path to genuine and true men of God. Rest in peace, Major. Na ebusuafo said the wording nsam no atu edwa no eno no. Na ebran se we bebeto eye edwa ne eye papa Agya Nkuto nso so response awode ababeto abonten no. Ene nam so amadodo na eka se Bible ne krampo se mayemfa nto so ne mumema no enye den enye ho. Se sofo panyi wugidi wo wutirimu fan said ya wo kanse ane ya abrante no ofiri wo na say 3 years ago ne won kro ne bana se ene won kanse asefo enwo a na enwo ehia na say ni kwan se oma no den ha no to that extent na so wo dwendwen enwo to say wo beba bonten abemeki comment ewo ehum na so me no wo kase nkrofo bi so ache wo madwen de afa ensem no ho ebra papa de nsem no ebetu dwa na ebusua making kind comments no ebi de amam the power of God ede or the about it truly you may not have killed him, but why Kingsley? Why could he die like a chicken? He was doing well in his own ministry at Kumewu before you convinced him to join you. So people would definitely ask questions and not any year be edo de ebaya was him. Didnt ebia na wo de wu tirimu fan wo se nyo na akunu na nsuso. Didnt na be ma brante no wo bewu te se eye akoko. Na brante no wo ye ni dwuma kama. Kopem se wo dada no ana se wone no ekọ adwenkro mu ma ne bebeka wo ho a enne won kan asefo nti ba ne sen na de dodo na embusa eye ensembisa emfa efri area o Rosemary Adombansen na dia wode ebe say that is how the pastors or prophets are. They will show you love, give you whatever you need. In fact, they will treat you thinking that they love you. Suddenly they will use you for their rituals. People should beware of too much love, too much gifts from these men of God. When you come across one who shower you with gifts, please run. Ono so efuto de ema afofro eno no hu ne sem ukoshia sofo bi na wo kire wo doma ne bro so ache se wo de wonya wo so empo ukokoto nkrofo so se de wo je wo so ne se de wo yeye wo no ho ana wa ma wani ada ho ache de no wo to de ma wa no wa ma wani ada ho because ebi abekwa ko bi eche na se po obi a ebeka je se wo kwa akwaji ai wa ye nim ya Ghanaian movies ni Nigerian movies dodo na wo ko bi kwa akwaji sikodo ese fa obi a wo do no den ebram enti the moment obe hu a obenya wa kire wo do na kan hu sem wo pa wo de wakwakoye na adie ebi na so binum wo ho no ma na wo mo kire wo do pan a na che se bibia enye den eni emu eno so so nua kwame Agya do de by was Kingsley also abandoned his own ministry to join Agya Nkuto all because of fame. Never cherish the riches from people in wolf skin claiming to be sheep. So or no so adintre eno no for wo hwe the response ye papa Agya Nkuto aba de aba beto edwa de fa ono ankasa ne ba Kingsley adodo nanim ne se Major ni wo no eho a wo chemu se da no edura wo bema na sofo ne ebiem nso the church members no ehun nene wo mo mbeko no wo mo atimi akom with eno ne commenter eba ya mekinkan de ema wo so adintre efa ho anything Fabra ebe to your comment section, like your videos, not share on all the social media platforms as to media and Agya sikapa makram.